Hey, welcome back for a quick little video. So y'all. All right, so I watched the video of Liv. But first we're gonna start on the video where she was in her car crying. I went ahead on and I did a little skit, but I already knew that Liv was in the car. She wasn't crying. She was acting a complete fool. See, you guys, what y'all gotta know about Liv is that when it comes to this YouTube shit, Liv sometimes is a little smart cookie. So when Liv posts videos, sometimes you gotta sit back and you gotta really look into it. I mean, Liv is the type of person, what she does is people that you know are her arch enemies, and you guys already know who I am speaking of. What Liv will do is she will throw me in the tags. Damn. All right. So what Liv will do is Liv will throw some out in the atmosphere, and those people like me, we know what she's talking about. Like Liv can be in a video talking about, I love my edges. Or Liv will post a picture of her edges. And guess what? We already know who she is talking about. And that's the shit I'm talking about. In this actual car video, Liv decided to go ahead and, put out some bars. She decided to go ahead and open up the vault like Tupac people did and, put out some more rap songs. And she began to say, just the other day, people said that I had a mouse in my house. When I heard that, I said, Liv is a fucking fool. I already knew what it was. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead on down here to my car. And we're going to go ahead and make a video about this. We're going to go ahead and make this kind of funny. And I succeeded at that. Just as Liv succeeds as she throws the shade to her, like I said, arch enemies. Now, when I was looking, I said all the fake crying and you know what I mean? And, putting her shirt over her face and, you doing all of this. I said, Liv is over there talking about one of them three. I said, Liv is a fucking idiot. And that's what she was doing. When she decided to go ahead and make that video, yeah, those of you who don't know it, that is exactly what Liv was doing. She was sitting there acting like they act. When they come on camera crying, putting their shirt over their face, saying that they're trying to take the kids. You don't have any money. You are broke. Yeah, that's what Liv was definitely doing. Now, Liv, I hope that, you didn't get too mad about that skit that I did. Because like I said, Liv, it was only for entertainment purposes. All right. And before I go on, I want to say, Liv, I am so happy that you received your housewarming gift, the makeup cup sets that I bought you to, put your makeup brushes in. I bought you, some of the knives that I have with the rainbow on it. I bought you a set of those. And I also gave you a gift card to Nordstrom's. So I want to say thank you again for the email that you sent me, letting me know that you received them and you love them so much. Now to y'all out there, the trolls, all right, let me get you together real quick. See what a boss bitch does is she does things like that. She does things like that to let you know it's only business. I don't hate you because actually I love to add to the fucked up content is being put out. And like I said before, if you did not want reactions to the content that you put out, you would never ever put the content out. See, what happens is when I react to your videos, people go ahead and watch me, but they go right back on over there to your video. And when something is made like that, like a skit, people want to watch it a couple times, maybe 2 or 3 times. So, you know, they watching me 2 or 3 times. They going over there to you watching you 2 or 3 times. So you know what? We all make out. And of course, Liv, you make out a little bit better because of course you have more subscribers. So you're going to get more views. It's like, I don't understand why you guys don't understand this. Let me break something down to you. When you are a drama channel, such as, I think she's called Spill Sesh, you have Tasha K, you have Lovely T, you have, what are some of the other ones? I can't even think of them. But the ones who seem to get the stories about Jeffree Star and you know what I'm saying, people in that category. All right, Shane Dawson. See, what happens is those people like Jeffree Star, they go ahead and they make it out of a business. And they will call up the drama channels. They will call them up and say, look, I've got some information and this is what's going down with me. I want to give you the story so therefore you can go ahead and put it out. And that's what they do. You see these people with high numbers as drama channels, they are getting up in the 100,000s of views on one video. Yeah, those people, like I just said, they call them up and let them know, hey, I want to give you some tea. This could benefit me and this could definitely benefit you. But see, y'all on this whole Three Mommy shit, what y'all need to do is y'all need to go sit down instead of fighting with each other so much and hating the reactors. Y'all need to go ahead and come together with the reactors. Because like I can't speak for anybody, but I myself, whatever goes down, whatever people feel like they want to find out about me, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. And like I tell you guys, people are going to talk about you. And you cannot stop that. When I was actually in high school, people talked about me a lot. You know why? Because at that point, I am a straight A student. Yeah, because I know you guys keep thinking that, you know what I'm saying, I'm, slow. I'm a little bit mentally challenged. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so, they would talk about me or whatever because I was that chocolate girl, but I was always that chocolate cute girl that people would always say. They will always say, well, I can't really say too much about her, but what it is I want to know what about her. And that is what gets you guys. You guys really want to know shit about me. You really do. So as going back to that, I was always what you call a popular girl. Not only that, I was always what you call a trend setter, like what Chrissy seems to try to do. You know what I mean? Tucking her pants into strapped up sandals. Yeah. So I always, was one of those. I was always one of those that, had a whole mob behind her. You get me? I was always one of those that, I followed to my own beat. I never did what others did. All right. Because me, myself, if you guys see how I come on camera, I like to be different. I don't want to be like anybody else on YouTube. I want to be me. I don't like to be like other people. So, like I said before, when people decide they want to put like a little video up about me because I've said something about somebody, today what I want you to really get in your head, because you guys seem to send me emails about it too, I don't give a fuck. I am not going to react to you, because if I react to you are not going to get me anywhere. Also, what I've been noticing, and this is a little bit off the subject, is that these people, they seem to get called out and get videos made up on them back to back, back to back. And they can't take it. They can't. Like I said in my last video, they say, well, I mind my own business. I am this, I am that, but you cannot take it when they come for you back to back. Yeah. But anyway, getting back, Olivia. And Olivia, what is this I'm hearing about that you did not buy that MTV Cribs? They say, and like I say, I don't know who they is, but you know, they say that you are in a rental property. All I gotta say, Liv, is hopefully Gerard does not come out and air your shit completely out. One thing I want to say, Liv, is if I was you, I would go ahead and I would be quiet, because it seems like to me you have a little bit of things that you may not want put out. And see, you got to grow up a little bit, Liv, because I don't know if you know, but Gerard, you said that he's not going to take him around certain people and, you know, this person and that person. And we all know who you're talking about. You're talking about Niecy. All right. Y'all already know. Y'all get it straight and raw over here. See, it's like this. If you ever had to go pick up your kids up from Texas, you would probably go with your mom. You would probably take your sister. You probably would take your cat, Kaya, because you already know what it is when you go up there. Because like I've told you before, if I was the other side of that family, I would have been got you in shape. The first time you came on YouTube to try to start up some bullshit, I would have got you together immediately. So the next time, you would have never, ever thought to part your lips and say anything inappropriate, out of the way, to or about my family. So we already know that you ain't going up there. But what I want you to realize, because I don't think that you understand, when you are separated from your husband, they can take their kids to anyone that they want to. It's nothing you can do about it. I noticed, Liv, that you have a control problem. But like I said, it's nothing that you can do about it. Nothing. As long as those kids are being taken care of, and they are healthy, and they are eating, and they are progressing well, he could take them to whoever he wanted to. He could take them to see Niecy 5 days a fucking week. And believe me, there is nothing that you can do about it. Now, also, you may not know that he can go and get half custody of them on both sides, whereas though he does not have to pay you no type of child support. See, Liv, when you come on camera and you begin to say, you know what I'm saying, these things, I just want to let you know, you're looking kind of crazy. You're looking a little bit weird. You know, when you talk about these things, Liv, please go and research. You get it? Because when you say things like they're not going to do this, they're not going to do that, that shows how dumb of a parent that you are. You cannot stop that. It's certain things that are going to happen now because you and Gerard are not together that you're not going to be able to do anything about it, sweetie. So just go ahead and be happy. Let it go. Go ahead and swim in your swimming pool like Michael Phelps, you know, the Olympian. Go ahead and just do that. Go ahead and kiss on Kaya. You get it. Go ahead and make sure you know you still on top. It's okay. It's okay, Liv. It is okay. So I'm not going to keep going on and on. I'm going to just go ahead and get off of here. So I will see you guys in the next video. Later.